Correctional Services Department facilities nyingi citu ni tukoragwa twina seedlings iria tukoragwa tukimerithia ona seedlings cia matunda ta maembe makondobia ni tukoragwa na seedlings cia mithemba mingi na seedlings pia cia miti kwoguo ni turoria ona general public ungikorwa wona bata wa muti specific uria ungienda kuthie kubanda bucita wa matunda no uthie facilities citu cia prisons ta Mwea, Embu, Ruiru na no kubota gukorwa ukibota gukora seedlings iria urenda kubanda. Ni tukoretwe tukinyitanira wega muno na Kenya Forest Service na gucenjania seedling types kana kuringanithia the seedlings types iria tunacio ringi na ringi matina type iria twinayo tukabota gukorwa tukitethaniriria kwoguo bau ta Mwea ni tukoretwo twina seedlings ta 10,000 na 10,000 ni seedlings nyingi muno ingibota gutumika ona county ngima kwoguo ni go encourage even state offices andu aria mangibota kugura miti yo no magire thiini wa prisons centers niguo tubote kuthii na mbere na kubanda.
For Kirinyaga County is 30.39% against the national tree cover of 12.39%. So Kirinyaga, we are doing well. We are ahead of the national tally of the tree cover. In terms of forest cover, the national forest cover percentage is 8.83%, whereas Kirinyaga has that 23.62%. So already we are above the national average. But hatusemi tuache kupanda miti. We want to go even beyond the national expectation of 30% by the year